Trying to figure out which Gold IRA reviews you can trust? Learning to read customer feedback critically makes all the difference. It can be tough for investors to tell which online reviews are genuine and truly reflect a company's service quality. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will see real customer testimonials that show the kinds of feedback indicating reliability, responsiveness, and overall service quality. These are examples from the guide to illustrate how you can evaluate reviews for any Gold IRA provider. When reviewing customer feedback, look for patterns like consistency across multiple reviews and platforms, specific samples of service quality or support, clear communication and follow through from the company. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also covers the Silver Scheme Report, Gold and Silver IRA, and Why Precious Metals. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how to critically read reviews and spot trustworthy providers. By understanding how to evaluate feedback, you can confidently select a reliable Gold RA company. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to interpret customer reviews to choose a trustworthy Gold RA provider. You can find the link in the description.